Hey guys, this is LipTheGamer00. In this video, I'm gonna see whether you guys think I should get a Xbox One or a PS4. Okay, and for the Xbox One, I would be getting the Fallout 4 bundle, black. So I'd be getting that for that, and then for PS4, I'd be getting the 1 TB Call of Duty Black Ops 3 limited edition bundle, jet black. So that comes with the Nuketown, if you can see it. Focus. Come on. You can't really see it, but anyhow, they come with a seasonal pass, come with Black Ops 3, this cool controller and a cool console. And then they'd come with the season pass, which I already said, Nuketown, and all that kind of stuff. So you'll see some zombies gameplay, and depending on you guys, think I should get an Xbox One or PS4. I'll get one of those this Christmas. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you in the next video.